All right, this one was requested over here on Investors Hangout. As always, we're going to make sure that we take a look at it. ICBU currently having a great rally day here, up 50%. Open today at 0035 and hitting the high of 0050, currently at 0048. A beautiful, beautiful day. You guys do have a resistance line that is going to be up here. I don't know why this line's not there, but hey, we'll go ahead and move that right there. That's where it should be. Looking here into the past, there is going to be that second line. That's what that is. There's two resistance lines right there that you guys are running into. You can kind of get the idea of a channel. Now, one thing I want to pay attention to here is that back here, you guys had a lot of trading in this area. Then right here, a big candle and a big candle here. So this thing could definitely pull back as fast as it went up. Keep that in mind, please. I got to point that out. You know, we're here to work together to find these runners. This could be one of those ones that don't look back at that gap down here, but I am going to note that there is a gap. I don't personally like these gaps, but it's at 003234. That's hard to say. It could just keep going off of that. It's not too big for where it's at right now, but like I said, they normally fill, even if it's 1 point. But, you know, the right thing at the right time, it could go. Looking back here for more gaps. Yeah, this is ended up filling a week later. It came back down to this level right here. So let's go ahead and talk about these lines, what we're going to be looking for. We're going to look for that volume to continue and that buying pressure to really push you through that 5-5 area. That's going to be my biggest concern right now. Where it's currently at right here is going to be around the second point. All right, so then after this, you guys are going to be basically moving up to the splits. And what I mean by that, it's going to be 0055, 006. Then 0065, 65 doesn't look to be too much right there, actually. And then after that, you guys can go up to the 7 fairly quick. That is what we're going to be watching for, this volume to continue to get you past that 3.5, if 005, I'm sorry. If you get to that, I firmly believe 6 will come pretty quick off of that. Avoid any gaps tomorrow when you guys open. If it opens up much higher than where it's currently at right now, be careful. Avoid the gaps. Keep an eye on that for sure. Okay? It really comes down to volume right now and the momentum to push this one up. I'm going to turn this over to Joe, and hopefully he can fill us in.
All right, so they had a press release today. It's IMD Companies Incorporated. Subsidiary KRSNA Minerals posts record numbers for fourth quarter revenues of $8,153,863 and net profits of $536,555 for the quarter. So IMD Companies Incorporated Board of Directors announced today that the company's subsidiary KRSNA Minerals reported them revenues. The company announced in January that KRSNA was expanding its work on its claims to meet demands for contracts with China for magnesium and iron ore. The results of this increase in demand are record revenues and profits for the company. The company completed its acquisition of KRSNA Minerals back in October 2016. KRSNA Minerals is a producing mine in India with over 600 acres of mining claims, which are producing magnesium and iron ore metals. KRSNA Minerals has major contracts with the Chinese government to supply magnesium and iron ore to China. Richard Wilson, CEO of ICBU, stated, We acquired KRSNA Minerals to bring assets, revenues, and profits to the company to increase shareholder value, which we now have done. Our goal is to meet all the requirements to become a NASDAQ small cap company. And with these fourth quarter revenues and profits, we are well on our way. So that's pretty much that. I mean, if you want to learn more about the company, go right over to the ICBU board over there on Investors Hangout. From there, you can pull up their company profile. And then, as always, you want to dig deeper with your due diligence. You go right into their filings and pay attention to their recent news. And as always, if you have an opinion on the company, feel free to share it on the message board with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that are using the site daily.
All right, thank you, Joe. Again, with the chart 0048, if volume continues and breaks, got to get through that 0050. I mean, get through it. That's what you're going to be looking for. Could run to 006 quick, in my opinion. Resistance at 0050, 556, support at 0045, 4035, gap at 003234. All depends on buying to break the 05. That's all it comes down to. Again, like I said, the gap, I had to write that down. I am going to watch that gap, and many people would call me crazy, but it really does end up, filling at some point. It can either be tomorrow, believe it or not. It could be. or it could be a few days, or it could just blow up. I'm just telling you what I look at as far as the chart. The buying pressure, I'm going to take a look at the 15-minute chart real quick. Take a look at it. So you guys have now a gap between the 4.4, 4.8, 4.7. It's just starting to go sideways now, like that momentum starting to lose. Still early in the day, though. This could definitely change. Everything can change what I just said. ICBU, if you follow this one, I definitely encourage you to hit that like and subscribe button. Share this video all over on different forums and message boards and social networks. Get the word out there and help us grow this community of people like you that come here and give us the stocks that we look at. If you have a hot stock other than this, you can head over to investorshangout.com/live and let us know there. And we'll be sure to take your hot stock and add it to the list of videos just like we did right here.